So the first parcel is this hanging stand. Let's unwrap this quickly. I am very excited to share with you this amazing hanging stand that's been a game changer for my washing area. The best part, it saves so much space on my washing area floors and keep my washing area organized. Plus it is easy to install. You can also use it in your entryway, bathroom or even outdoors. Get creative and find the perfect spot for your hanging stand. Yeah, that's it. This hanging stand is a must-have for anyone looking to declutter and optimize their space. These are another stand that is for kitchen. As you can see, this stand is sleek, sturdy and adjustable. It's perfect for hanging pots, pans, utensils or even plants. You can customize the lens to fit your needs. The best part, it saves so much space on our countertops and keep my kitchen organized. Plus, it is easy to install and comes with all the necessary hardware. You can also use it anywhere. I'm excited to unbox these beautiful kitchen jars I got from Daraz. Let's see what's inside. Here they are. Look at these gorgeous kitchen jars. I got them in 3 sizes. Actually, 3 same sizes. Then another purchase is these pillowcases. As you can see, it's made of high quality material and has a stunning design. I love this pattern. It is so elegant and neat. This pillowcases is not only beautiful but also comfortable and durable. That's it. I am so happy with my purchase from Daraz. Thanks for watching and don't forget to follow me for more unboxing.